Hey guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and I am here. I am here to do a haul video. It's like Christmas around here, y'all. Woo woo! Because some stuff came in, and I got the new Tonic stuff in. I'm so excited. Yay! Woo, 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 woo. All right, let me go ahead and show you what came in. I believe I didn't show this stuff, so I'm going to do that. Okay, from Crafter's Companion, I got the Zodiac dies. Now, I was upset because they sent me 2 of the Pisces instead of the Gemini, which is ironic. So, they're supposed to be sending that, but they have all 12 months. What I need to go back and do is put what month it is, because they didn't do that. I would think they would have, but they didn't. So, there's only some of them that I know for sure because I know mine and my mommy's and Honeyman's. And see, that's me right there. There's a Leo. That one. I love this water picture. Capricorn. And then you can see where they sent me another Pisces. So I will be destashing that one. So there are those dies. Woohoo! Then my auto ship for Crafter's Companion with the Gemini Go came in. And I was like, I don't even know what this one's supposed to be. So the first part is you get this magnetic sheet that has the designs of the dies on it. And they went overboard with the butterflies again. I wish they would start doing some other things besides butterflies. I mean, you've got dragonflies, ladybugs, all kinds of stuff that you could do. So, then they have the clear sheet. You get the cut and emboss folder. There is a regular embossing folder. And then you get a longer embossing folder. And I'm trying to show you the design. There you go. It's more butterflies. I mean, I like butterflies, but after this year of Crafter's Companion subscription box, and then these extra little things, I'm so sick of butterflies. They have to be extra cute now because they just put butterflies in everything. So, here's this. They have words. They've got this, which is some borders, which is pretty cool. There are more butterflies. Now, to be fair, this one was called the butterfly something, but in general, you know what I'm talking about. Now, this is cute. Now, this is what I was talking about, something that's extra cute. That's cute, the heart with the butterflies in it. And then the die set to cut those out. And this is cool because it cuts the outer edge, but it also cuts the inside so that the wings will lift up. Okay. So that shows you that. Okay, then I got in my Spellbinders this month, which is this border die. This was the small die set club. And you can see all the little extras that they have here. That's what it looks like. That's what I said. This is like the best die club. And then, ironically, this is all butterflies too. But at least they're like cool. So you have all of these. So it was like major butterflies. Okay, then the next thing that came was my auto ship for the Anna Griffin jacket dies. So you got the cake with the different layers. And I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or destash this one. I don't know. But this is gorgeous. So, of course, I know I'm going to keep this one. So, this is the other jacket die with this fabulous filigree stuff over here. And the extra leaves. Love it. So awesome. I love it. All right. I got this in from the Not Too Shabby shop. Now, first of all, I love Pure Innocence. They're so cute anyway. And she's got curly hair. So, she looks like a little black girl. So I had to get it. And then, of course, the die to match, because y'all know I don't like the stamps without dies. I'm not sure if I showed these yet, but I got these from AliExpress, Elena Crafts. So I got this one, this heart square, this one, and this is a neat shape. This was a free gift. 2 little tags. And this little girl. She's so cute. So I can't wait to play with that. Okay. I also got in my Hero Arts Kit of the month. Now, I only get this every now and then, but it was an Art Deco one, so you know I had to get it. So it says, thanks for your order. I might cut that out. And now, I was a little disappointed with this one because they usually have some kind of ink or something in it, and they didn't in this one. So it's kind of like, don't know. So first, they did have a couple pieces of paper, and they do have this Art Deco stencil, and they gave you these little sequins. So there was that. Then this was fabulous. It's so awesome. They give you these Art Deco stamps. And the Roaring 20s. And I liked it particularly because the little dancing people, they have the die. So on the back, you have a background die, which is fabulous. And then you have the dies for the dancing people, the car, the phonograph, the little wine glass. And I'm not sure what that one is. What is that one? The jukebox. And then that was all that was in the kit. So I was like, But then they had this cute dog that was extra. And I do not have like the animals from the 20s. So I got this one. And of course the die set that matched. Now, from Ho Chanda and Tonic, I finally got the 2 extras for the index box. They finally showed up. Had to email Ho Chanda, I don't know how many times, and then I had to email Tonic. So I was like, okay. So they finally arrived today, which is awesome. So I can play with those. And then this is the best. It's the addition to the Tonic Kaleidoscope boxes. Now, you know I'm obsessed with them anyway. So it came with 5 sets. You get 3 panels. So this one is Celebrate. It's got a little wine glass and the wine bottle and the word Celebrate. It comes with this one, which is the toy box. A little bow, the little bear, and the carousel horse or rocking horse. Then it came with this one, which is Night at the Ballet. So you've got this ballet dancer here, the little ballet shoes, and then the medium box is the fairy. Awesome sauce. And then they had 2 new lids. They had the Pentagon lid, where it's flat, so it's top and bottom. And it has all the little extra layers and so forth in it. Fabulous. And it has the domed shape lid with all the little extras and stuff to decorate. I was so excited. I've already made 2 boxes. Awesome sauce. So anyway, that's my haul for the last few days. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.